Oh, hi Emma. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Hey, you look nice today.
Thank you so much. Oh, you too.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a cappuccino, please. What about you?
I'll have a latte. So, do you want anything to eat?
No, thank you. I'm not hungry right now.
Here are your drinks. Enjoy.
Thanks.
So, what are you doing these days?
I'm working at a new company. It's very interesting.
Oh, wow, that sounds great. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. The people are very nice. What about you? How is your work?
It's good. But man, I'm very busy this week.
I understand. Work can be stressful sometimes.
Say, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Do you want to do something together?
Absolutely. Would you like to go shopping?
That sounds perfect. What time?
How about 2 o'clock on Saturday?
Great. I'll see you then.
Wonderful. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Great job. You just learned essential English phrases for meeting friends and making plans. Practice these conversations with your friends or family. Remember, the key to fluent English is daily practice. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Flow Practice for more conversation lessons. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.